Node.js is a JavaScript runtime for building and running JavaScript-based applications on a server. This short video demonstrates how to download, install, and confirm the installation of Node on a local computer. Begin by going to nodejs.org in your favorite browser. Click Downloads in the navigation bar. Find and click the option for your operating system to download the long-term support version. Find the installer in your Downloads folder and run it. Follow the prompts until the installation completes. Once done, open Terminal on a Mac or Command Prompt in Windows. Type node -- version, then press Enter. The version should match the installed Node version. That's it! Node is now installed.